Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing well. So please stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. The most important thing to say. Okay, so today I'm sharing with you my reviews on a product which I have been using since 2 months and my skin is already has changed a lot. As you can see, now I have less acne, less breakouts, less scars, and you can see I have only this one breakout and this scar, few very light scars too, and some open pores here. And very light scars are there. You can see this one and this one. I mean, from earlier to now, my skin has changed a lot, and that's why I'm so happy to have my skin like so. 1 or 2 breakouts, some light scars and few open pores. It's okay, it's totally okay, I'm fine with it. So right now I'm so happy that I don't feel to wear makeup. I like my skin to be as it is. I don't want to put any fake makeup on my face, and I'm just enjoying my skin as it is, you know, kind of no makeup feeling. That is really awesome, which I'm having, which I'm feeling these days since I start using this product. So the product is this Health and Beauty Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay, world's most powerful facial deep pore cleansing 100% natural calcium bentonite clay. So here is the product. Okay, so this is the product, this is the clay. If your skin is acne prone and problematic, oily, excessive oily, you have lots of breakout, lots of acne, lots of scars, then yes, you can try this one. This is actually more powerful than Multani Mitti, that Fuller's Earth. People say that Fuller's Earth is the best option if you are a problematic skin person, but I think this one is most effective. Now let me go through the information and all the things. Let me review the product. As you can see, this product comes in this container kind of packaging, and this one is my second container. I have already used one before this, and now I'm reviewing it when my skin has healed at least 90%. So now I'm confident enough to review this product, and the price of the product is 1440. I bought this from amazon.com, and the other information that is given on this container, let me go through it. Feel your face whole set. Facial acne body wraps, clay bath, foot soak, chilled clay for knee pack and insect bites. Enjoy the benefits of clay in your own home, beauty and refresh. Direction: mix clay with equal part of raw apple cider vinegar and water. Use a non-metallic bowl utensil. Stir the mixture well to a smooth paste. Add more clay or liquid as needed. Apply 1/4 in or to 1/2 in to the face or other area. Let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes for delicate skin and 15 to 20 minutes for normal skin. You will feel a pulling and tightening sensation. That is totally true. I feel like my skin can't move even to half inch, like कुछ नहीं हो पाता उस time. Feel your face whole set. Remove clay by washing with warm water. Usually I wash with normal water. Slight redness of the skin is normal and will disappear in about 30 minutes. Slight? You know what? I suffer severe redness on my skin, although my skin is not used to get red after any skincare routine. But after using this product, this is the only product that makes my skin red. So yes, this is also true that redness will appear, and this will disappear after 30 minutes or 1 hour. It totally depends on your skin. Slight redness. Okay, so it removes impurities and dirt from the pores. Deep pore cleansing, world's most powerful facial of clay, makes 10 to 15 facial. Use it once per week, more often for problematic skin. Men's love it too for external use only. Then ingredients are given, and the net weight of this container is 454 grams. On this part of the container, same information is given in other two languages. And about the packaging is not as such attractive. The color combination of this as okay, it's kind of okay, but still the product is actually awesome, seriously. So let's head towards the video. So here I'm using Bragg organic apple cider vinegar with mother and my Aztec secret clay. So I'm starting with taking my Aztec clay, and you can see it has very fine and smooth powder kind texture, and the shade of the clay is pale grayish mint kind of. And I'm taking 1.5 spoon of clay. You can adjust the quantity according to your face size, and you need to use non-metallic bowl to mix this. Next I am taking my ACV. Don't forget to shake the bottle before taking ACV, and adjust the quantity of apple cider vinegar and clay mass enough to make good paste that get applied easily on your face, and mix both the ingredients really well. If you have oily skin and acne prone skin, then mix this clay with apple cider vinegar. But if you have combination skin, sensitive skin, normal skin, dry skin, then mix it with water, plain water. Don't forget to wash your face before application. I mean, use your regular face wash, or you can also scrub your face and then apply this clay as your pack on your face. You can apply thin or thick layer as you like. There is no such compulsion that you have to apply thick or thin, but personally I like to apply thick layer of this clay because my skin is excessive oily and it was so acne prone and problematic. So to get it quickly, I apply thick layer of it, and it does work on my face. Although it gives you a bit burning sensation, tightening effect, and kind of itching, but that's okay, that's normal. After application, leave it for 20 minutes or until it gets dry. Then wash with normal water, or you can use lukewarm or warm water as mentioned on the container. And you can see my pack has already dried, so I'm gonna wash this off. And now you see the redness on my face. Oh my god. But don't worry, your face will get normal in some time. So that's why I suggest you to use this clay at bedtime. After using this clay, your skin become very sensitive. So when you use towel on your face, do not rub it, just dab it. I like to use rose water on my face after this because rose water is good for all skin type, especially for oily skin. It gives cooling effect to skin and also close open pores and remove the impurities too. So that's why I like to use it as my toner, and I usually use chilled rose water. So from my side, if you ask me that ma'am, I have problematic skin, can I use it? Then yes. I have dry skin, then can I use it? You can, but with water, not apple cider vinegar. And about using it, I use it regularly. When I was suffering severe acne issues, that period I use it daily at bedtime. Then in second week I use it thrice a week. Then in third week I use it twice a week, and in fourth week once in every week. Okay, so this is how you have to use it if your skin is severely problematic. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you wanna to buy it, then yes, you can go to amazon.com, nykaa.com, or any of these sites. That is all for today. Till the next time, have a very nice day. Bye bye.